What's good, box truck bully family? Ever wondered what it's really like to run a box truck business? Today we're busting the top 5 misconceptions about the box truck game. Misconception number 1. It's just like any other trucking job. Not at all. Operating a box truck is a whole different beast. You're dealing with shorter hauls, tighter schedules, and more direct customer interaction. Misconception number 2. Box trucks can't handle big loads. These trucks are nimble and can fit into spaces that big rigs have a hard time navigating. Misconception number 3. You can't make good money. Simply not true. With the right strategy, planning, and determination, box trucking can be highly profitable. Misconception number 4. Maintenance is a nightmare. Routine checks, being proactive, and good care can keep your truck running smoothly. Misconception number 5. The market is too competitive. By focusing on niche markets, you can carve out a profitable space for yourself. So there you have it. 5 misconceptions about the box truck business. Busted. If you're ready to roll with K&R carriers, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insider tips. See you on the road, box truck bully family.